Hello friends, the topic of this video is how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Woocommerce. Let's get started. All you need to do is simply open your CJ Dropshipping account. I am on the dashboard for CJ Dropshipping. To connect CJ Dropshipping to Woocommerce, I will navigate to Autorization from the top bar, then, from the drop-down menu, I will click on Woocommerce. I am going to show you another way to connect CJ with Woocommerce. Simply go over My CJ from the top bar. It will take some time to open properly, My CJ. Once it opens up properly, all you have to do is select Store Authorization from the left side menu. Then, from the different options, click over Woocommerce. After that, you will find this type of window here, and here you will see the options, like Create Your Store Right Now, how to connect Woocommerce by default, and how to connect Woocommerce by OAuth plugins. And here is also the Add Store. When you click over it, you will find some options to add your store, like your authorization will be by default or by the OAuth plugin. You can choose the authorization that you want. Once you are done with it, click on Authorize. And your drop shipping will be connected to your Woocommerce account. This was all about it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.